Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Apps script with OpenAI for automations. Complete guide step. To activate Google Apps script with OpenAI for automations, start by opening your Google Drive. In the top left corner, click on New and select Google Sheets. Once your sheet is open, navigate to the Extensions menu. From the drop-down, select Apps Script. This will open a new tab with the Google Apps Script Editor. In the script editor, you will see a default function named My Function. You can delete this default function to start fresh. Next, you need to set up your OpenAI API key. Visit the OpenAI website to obtain your API key if you haven't done so already. Once you have your API key, return to the script editor. Create a new variable called API key and assign your OpenAI API key to it. Now, you will need to write a function to call the OpenAI API. Use the URL fetch app service to make requests to the OpenAI endpoint. Be sure to specify the appropriate headers, including authorization with your API key. Next, specify the API URL based on the OpenAI service you wish to use. In the body of the request, include the necessary parameters, such as model and prompt. After you write the function, save your project. Now, go back to your Google Sheet. You can create a custom menu to run your script from the Google Sheets interface. In the script editor, use the onOpen function to create the custom menu. Include an entry that allows you to run your main function directly. Once you finish writing your custom menu code, save the project again. Now it's time to test your automation. Go back to your Google Sheet and refresh the page. You should now see your custom menu in the menu bar. Select your custom menu item to run the OpenAI function. Check the output in the Google Sheet to make sure the automation works. If the output doesn't appear as expected, troubleshoot the code for any errors. Once confirmed, you can continue to refine your function for enhanced automation. You can also schedule your script to run at specific intervals using triggers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.